Since 2013, NEXINEO has been developing, manufacturing, and delivering specialized computer classrooms, which are now used by over 300,000 students across Europe. This slide shows a typical computer classroom. There are usually 20 to 30 computers in a single classroom. But we must keep in mind that each computer contains many components that are prone to malfunction, including the processor, graphics card, hard drive, and a fan. Each computer runs its own operating system and dozens of applications, the administration of which is extremely time-consuming, particularly if a school has several computer classrooms. The service life of laptops is between 3 and 5 years, so schools must continuously invest in new computer equipment. And of course, each computer emits heat, swirls dust, and generates noise, making computer classrooms not the healthiest places for students. Now meet NEXINEO, virtualized computer equipment to make digital teaching at your school more effective. As you can see from this picture, students no longer need their own computers or laptops. All they need is a small Neo virtual desktop device, which can be easily attached to any monitor using a VESA mount and controlled with a standard keyboard and mouse. The entire classroom is powered by a central NEXIGO server running the popular Windows Server operating system, and the Neo virtual desktop devices connect to this server via a standard LAN network. Of course, the NEXINEO system can be easily connected to the internet or a school domain. Your school too can have an elegant computer classroom like this one. Neo virtual desktop devices have enough ports to connect to peripherals, a monitor, and a LAN network, while their average power consumption is just 5 watts. Because the Neo virtual desktop devices don't include components that are susceptible to malfunction, since everything runs on the central NEXIGO server, their breakdown rate is minimal, and their service life exceeds 10 years. The central NEXIGO server has enough computing power for the entire classroom. As a strategic piece of the NEXINEO classroom, the server is made of high-quality components from renowned manufacturers. The NEXIGO server has 2 graphics cards for increased graphics performance. The NEXIGO server comes pre-installed with the Windows Server operating system, and each server is thoroughly tested prior to installation. Classrooms that require graphics-intensive applications such as AutoCAD, Revit, Inventor, etc. should use the NEXIGO performance system. The NEXIGO is a good choice for standard applications, typically used in primary and non-technical secondary schools. To enhance the effectiveness of the teaching process, NEXINEO has developed NEXIBoard, a dedicated application that allows teachers to manage the entire teaching process from their seat in a simple and effective way. Teachers can share their desktop to all students' monitors, see what they are doing in real time, send them messages, distribute and collect assignments, and block USB ports and internet access. They can also clean up students' desktops if necessary. The NEXIBoard management console is straightforward and intuitive to operate. Even teachers with only basic PC skills will find it easy to use effectively. An English language manual containing very clear instructions for users is also available. As we saw on the previous slides, the NEXINEO system offers many benefits. Thanks to the low power consumption, long service life, and minimum management requirements of Neo virtual desktop devices, the NEXINEO system significantly reduces overall acquisition costs. With a weight of only 300 grams apiece and low power consumption, Neo virtual desktop devices considerably reduce electronic waste and CO2 emissions. The NEXINEO system can also run some more graphics-intensive applications and can be used in specialized technical classrooms as well. The Neo virtual desktop devices do not emit heat, dust, and noise, making computer classrooms much healthier environments compared to those equipped with standard computers. The NEXIBoard management console makes the teaching process more effective, and since Neo virtual desktop devices do not store any data and don't run any applications directly, the NEXINEO system is better protected against cyber threats than standard computer classrooms. Of course, the NEXINEO company offers comprehensive customer support to schools, but the NEXINEO system is very easy to administer and can be effectively managed even by an IT technician with basic knowledge of Windows operating system. The NEXINEO system is an ideal solution for regular computer classrooms in primary and secondary schools, as well as at universities or in training centers. The NEXINEO system can also be used in specialized technical computer classrooms, where students work with more demanding applications such as AutoCAD, Revit, Inventor, Tinkercad, and the like. Detailed technical specifications and all necessary NEXINEO system installation and management manuals are available on the company's international website at shop.nexineo.com.